Moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Marion, Scott City, Johnston City, Chaffee, Vienna, Orrin, Benton, Goreville, Mounds, Dongola, Thames, Kelso, Pittsburgh, Creel Springs, Karnak, Delta, Dutchtown, Lake of Egypt area, and Cape Girardeau Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 18. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 6 and 33, and between mile markers 36 and 56. Interstate 55 between mile markers 80 and 94. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander, Johnson, Pulaski, Union and Williamson.